Let me guess, you have seen tens and hundreds of videos that teach you how to create a digital product, and yes, you're right. Creating a digital product is not that hard. What a lot of people find harder is how to actually sell them. So I thought, why not make a video on how to actually sell your digital products? So today I am going to talk about how I sell my digital products, the exact platform I use, and how you can start your journey as well in 2025 without any paid ads and without a fancy website. And no, you're not learning this from any random person on the internet. I am Simran and I have made more than $160,000 by selling simple digital products without ever spending a single dollar on paid ads and without having a fancy website. So you are absolutely at the right place. So if you have been thinking to start your own journey of selling digital products, or maybe you have already created some products but you want to understand how you can start selling them, this video is going to connect all the dots for you. So let's dive in. Alright, I have opened my whiteboard and first I'm going to show you the bigger picture of how you actually sell your digital products, and then we're going to look at each part closely, because trust me, since the very beginning of this journey, the bigger picture almost stays the same. Yes, there might be some changes required to the smaller parts, but the bigger picture looks very consistent. It's going to look very consistent throughout your journey as well. So I'm going to show you the bigger picture first, and then we will look into each and every part, so that by the end of this video you are crystal clear on how you can start selling your digital products. And whatever I am going to show you today, this is the exact process that I use to sell my digital products, whether it is a $27 guide or a $397 course. So let's look into it. Alright, so my entire process is basically divided into 4 simple steps. So that is what the bigger picture looks like. But to get started, what I usually do is, I post content on social media, and my social media channels are Instagram and YouTube. So this is where I consistently post content related to my niche, and my niche is making money online with digital products. That means I continuously drive traffic towards whatever I am selling. So obviously, if you're doing an online business, you need an online presence, and for that you will be posting content consistently on your social media. When you're posting content, that means you are driving traffic. This is where the selling part will come in, because now you want to convert your traffic into your paid product. All right, and to make this happen, this is how the entire process looks. The traffic that is coming in, first of all, you're going to give them your freebie, which is the free product, or this is what we also call a lead magnet. If you have ever heard of lead magnet before, that is great. First of all, whatever traffic you are driving, your main function is to literally drive all the traffic towards your lead magnet, towards your free product, that is also called a freebie. Once someone grabs your freebie, that means they are going to go into your email list, and from the email list you're going to do the email marketing. Alright, that means the people who are grabbing your freebie, you are collecting their name and you're collecting their email address. That means you're building your email list, and to that email list you will start doing email marketing. That means you will start sending some nurture emails, so that slowly and slowly you can start pitching your paid product. Alright, so basically what we are doing here is we are driving traffic towards the content on whatever social media channel you are posting. You will be driving traffic by posting content, and whatever traffic you are driving, first of all you will provide them with a free product, that is what we call the freebie. But you don't just provide your freebie just like that. Whenever you provide the freebie to your audience, what the first thing that you do is you collect their name and email address. This is very, very important, because when you're collecting the name and email address, you are actually building an email list in your system. That means maybe after a week, maybe after you have 50 members on your email list, you can start doing email marketing. In email marketing, you will send them emails, maybe 1 email per week, maybe 2 emails per week. I usually send now 6 to 7 emails every week, and in that 6 to 7 emails I update my audience related to all the knowledge about my niche. I tell them about my paid product, and slowly I start pitching my paid product. That means I am converting my traffic who got into the freebie into my paid product. This is not something that you will be able to do within 1 day or within 2 days. It does require time, but this is how the selling part looks like on my end. So basically, I post content on social media, I drive traffic. The traffic that is coming in, they grab my free product, they grab my freebie, because my freebie actually provides a lot of value. But when I provide freebie, I collect their name and email address. That means I'm building that email list in my system so that I can start sending them the emails, and then I can start pitching my paid product in a way that it is very helpful. So the people who are on my email list, if they go through my emails, they will be ready to purchase my paid product. And obviously, when someone is purchasing your paid product, that means they are, obviously that is a paid product. That means you are making money. So this is how I sell my digital products. So this is how the bigger picture looks like. Now we will go into each part and I will show you how it actually looks like on the back end of my business. And just to mention, all of these things are connected. So my freebie, my email list, my email marketing, and then making sales for my paid product, all of this is connected, and all of this runs on one platform, and that is System.io, which is absolutely free to start with. So I'm also going to show my System.io so that you can see how all of this actually looks like on the back end. Let's start talking about the freebie funnel. So all the entire process that I've just shown you, the first part that we are going to look into is the freebie funnel. So this is where the journey of my audience begins. All right, so this is what I have set up in my System.io. This is the back end of my systems. So basically, if you look into this is called the squeeze page. So as I mentioned, when you give the freebie to your target customer, when you give the freebie to whatever traffic you're getting, you need to collect their name and email so that you can start building the email list in your system. But how do we do that? We do it inside the squeeze page. So I've created this squeeze page inside System.io, which is a free tool so that you can start with that. I'm going to provide you the link as well so you can sign up with System.io for free and start setting up your system as well. So this is the squeeze page that I first of all give to my audience. They enter their name, they enter their email, and then they get the free product that I promised. And if you don't know what a freebie is a simple, valuable download that you can give to your audience for free. It does not really have to be very big. Your freebie should actually give your audience a quick win. I have a few examples as well. For example, 50 AI prompts for content creators, digital product starter checklist, and the one that I have here is simple 4 steps roadmap in which you can start and take your idea to income without any overwhelm. So this is a free product that you can provide to your audience. So inside System.io, I build my entire funnel. This is the landing page or the squeeze page to get my freebie, and once someone enters their name and email, the thank you page opens up, and which is this one. So on the thank you page, I provide whatever I have promised, that is my freebie, and then I also guide my audience for the next step. So if they want to get into the paid product, they can do it right here as well. But our main motive is not to sell the paid product here. We have the whole system for that, and that is email marketing, and we'll come to that later. Now, when someone subscribes to your squeeze page, that means they're entering the name and email to get your freebie. What happens is System.io will start building an email list for you. So it will start listing out all the contacts with their name and email or whatever data you are collecting in the backend so that you can start sending them the emails, and this is where the magic happens. So instead of chasing people to buy my paid product, I let my emails do all the nurturing for me. So in my email sequence, I usually send 2 to 3 value packed emails, as you can see right now, 1 or 2 personal story based emails, and finally a sales email with a call to action to buy my paid product. And the best part, you just have to write these emails once, and once you put all of them in System.io, you can automate them so that the system can start working for you, so that even if you're not working actively or if you're not working on your business at the moment, your emails will keep running, your emails will keep going to the people, and you will start making sales eventually. So let's recap a little bit. Up to this point, we have seen where I host my freebie and how I provide my freebie to people by hosting everything on a squeeze page, as I showed you. To provide my freebie, I first of all ask people to give their name and email so that I can start building the email list in my backend, so that my system can start running email marketing for all the emails that I've set up on automation, and these emails will go even if I'm sleeping. And now let's talk about the final part of the entire process, and that is where we host our paid product, and this is what we call a sales page. So I will quickly show you how my sales page look like. So this is the sales page. This is where people learn about your product, they see all the benefits, benefits, you provide all the information of what exactly is included in your product, and whenever they make a decision, they simply have to click on this option to make the payment. And the best part is, I built my squeeze page, my sales page, the page where I take all the payments. For example, let's say someone clicks on this button, they will be redirected to this page, and I have already built all of this inside System.io. So whether it is my squeeze page, my sales page, my order page, my thank you page, whatever it is, I have all of it in one place. And because everything is in one place, it is so easy to connect all the dots and track what actually is working and what is not working, so that once I start analyzing what is working for me, I'll keep that, and whatever is not working, I'll make some changes to that. And that is how you actually experiment in your business. And because I have done all the work earlier, that means they're going from my content to my freebie, then to my emails. By the time they reach my sales page, by the time they get to know my paid product, they are already ready to buy. And this is how you actually sell your digital product. And by the way, if you want to grab my exact freebie funnel template, I have linked it down for you in the description. So make sure you check it out. It is 100% free, and you can start customizing it in your System.io account and start today. So the entire picture that I've showed you today, this is the exact system that I have used to make more than $160,000 by selling digital products without having a big team, without running any paid ads, or without having a fancy website. And the best part, you just have to build it once and then it keeps running for you on automation. So it doesn't matter you're traveling, you're not working on your systems actively, your system and your business will keep running for you, and you will keep getting the sales of your digital products. So if you have been stuck thinking, oh my god, I need a website to get started, I'm not that tech savvy, how I'm gonna do this, I hope today's video helped you, and I want you to know that this is way simpler than you think. So just get started today. And if you want to skip all the trials and errors and you want to learn everything step by step with proven strategies, I cover all of that inside my course and community, which is called the Passive Creators Hub. You're 100% welcome to get inside, and you can just check out the link in the description. Alright, now that you know how you can actually start selling your digital products, you might be wondering what are the digital products that can actually make you 100% profits, but how do you do that? Well, it all starts by watching this video next, because when you combine what you learned today with this video, it is going to be even more powerful and you will be able to connect all the dots even more properly. Now I will see you in the next video.